Cold air humidifier 3-in-1 portable air conditioner. 1800 milliamps with a 500 milliliter container throwing mist statue. We're going to unbox it, show you what you get inside and what this is all about. As we open up the box, show you how nicely this is packed and presented. You have a USB-C cable packed in bubble wrap, and the instructions on the bottom of the box. Everything to go over about your product. Check online for further details about the makes and the colors the unit comes in. It is feather touch to turn on. Has a nice blue light. As you can see, the different buttons. So what we're going to go do is add water to the unit. Simply pull off the rubber cap to the faucet, add water. Put the cap back on. Plug your unit into your favorite power source through the back, USB-C. Adjust the angle of the fan, up or down. A soft white charging light. Press the button, and you're steaming away. Put the fan on, and you're now cool. This could be brought outside, portable, anywhere imaginable. This is the fan. There are two speeds, low and high and off. This is the mist, and this is the fan blowing the mist. The mist button has a couple of functions. You can press the mist on once. It'll go on and off periodically. By pressing the button again, it'll go on and off. So if you're sitting out by the barbecue and you're just relaxing, you want to be cooled off, you turn the machine on and you turn the mist on those nice hot days. The portable air humidifier will run for hours on end. It'll blink 3 times for low battery of white. It'll run and shut off after 2 full hours of use. The unit takes a couple of hours to charge. I hope you enjoy this product of cooling yourself off on those hot summer days with the humidifier of a small, portable, lightweight, and strong air conditioner. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for. You have the option to turn on the humidifier 100%, and you have the option to run the fan at 2 speeds or have the humidifier just run by itself. Enjoy your product if this is what you are after.